What if you could take your smartphone and become part of a global array of cameras and sensors? Well, let's start the DeviceIT application and do exactly that. All we have to do is find the ETC icon, either on the front screen or the back menu, and simply tap it. The app starts up in landscape mode, and at the top here you can see the battery status, streaming status, and the GPS status. Beneath that we have current location and compass direction, and importantly the network info that we type into our web browser. This could be a fixed computer or on a mobile device. Once we do that, we get a live picture streaming from the phone, we get the sensor readings, and we get GPS tracking on a map, which, as you can see, we're zooming in on right now to home right in on where we are. Once we're there, we can go exploring and we can share what we see with our phone with anybody who's on the same network. So as we walk out the door here, you can see that we're heading out to the west. You can see the sun just streaming from the top down there. And down the bottom right hand corner is the compass reading. And fortunately you can see this aligns with that. It tells us that in fact we're heading due west. If we turn 90 degrees, we should be pointing north, and in fact the compass tells us that we're pointing north. And by swinging 180 around, you can see that now we're pointing south. So as we head back inside, you can see that of course is the easterly direction. Well, we're going back inside the building, so let's get inside and under the hood and look at the various options that we have to play with. From the apps menu, we tap on the menu button from the Android, and up on the right hand side we get various options. We can start and stop the data and get some help, and we can blank the screen in case we don't want the light from the screen to be seen. But most interestingly are the settings over here. With the settings we can enable video, location, the ambient light sensor, the compass and the accelerometer. On the next screen we can also change the value to metrical imperial and the location format. We have a lot of control over the data server, and the last screen we can optimise the app for battery power or performance. We believe you should use technology wisely, and our app costs less than a cup of coffee, so we make it free for all people trying to save lives. We do much more than video. Try our app and then contact us to see how the GPAC system can integrate multiple phones and your other cameras and sensors.